What is a building and construction dispute? To put it simply, building construction disputes are legal conflicts in the building industry. They can include payment disputes where clients don't pay for the work completed, defects claim where the owners allege poor workmanship or materials, subcontractor issues whether it's payment or performance problems, contract variations where there's a disagreement over the scope changes. A recent example is where a residential builder came to us saying that the owner was withholding $80,000 out of the final payment, claiming that there were substantial defects. But the works were perfect, but they still wouldn't pay. That's a construction dispute. We help enforce payment, defend false claims, and recover what you're owed. That's what building construction disputes are. If you're dealing with one, we help builders protect their business and recover what they are owed.